Hey Go Hi Lovers, in this video we'll be discussing about Deep App Links tools. We are on the agency level right now. We can find for the app marketplace from here and we have to search for Deep Link tools. We have to install it first from here. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will be also giving you the option to enable automatic future installation from here. But right now we will be just using our specific sub account, that is Vista Test. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards our agency level. From there we will be moving forward towards our sub account. It will be also appearing as installed. Find for the sub account. Here we are. Let's find for the automations to create a workflow and to check on what value is being provided by Deep Link tools. From here, start from scratch. We are in the workflow builder and we have to just create a new action and find for Deep Link tools. Here it is. These are the variety of actions you can just use in your workflow builder and create your own automations. The options will be endless. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.